Today I tried making fake Korean barbecue at home using flank steak, and I'm sorry to say that today is another fail video. The flank steak came out okay. I seasoned it up with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, the holy trinity, then threw it into a searing hot pan to try and get a crust, and I just couldn't get a good sear on these guys. They came out okay, and they're super thin, so I ended up cooking them well past medium. There's like the slightest bit of pink, and somehow the thinner side of the steak got more pink. After that, I threw it in some sumjang, which is some Korean soybean paste. I love this stuff. They make it custom in the Korean barbecue place that we go to. I just got the store-made stuff. The overall meal was like a 6 out of 10. Hope you enjoyed and follow for more.